There are many different types of estimation. You can estimate how heavy an object is, how far away the moon is, or how much your groceries are going to cost. In this video, we will mainly focus on estimating calculations by using rounding. Let's have a look at an example. Elvis went to an electronics shop. He bought a second-hand tablet and a pair of wireless headphones. The prices of these were £329 and £88. Can you estimate how much money he spent? We need to calculate 329 plus 88. We can work this out using column addition, but we can also make a sensible estimate of the answer. We can use our rounding skills to round both numbers to the nearest 100. Remember, we check the tens digit when rounding to the nearest 100. If there are 5 tens or more, we round up. Otherwise, we round down. 329 contains 2 tens, so we round down to 300. 88 has 8 tens, so we round up to 100. We can now add our rounded numbers mentally. 300 plus 100 equals 400. So Elvis will expect to pay roughly £400 at the electronics shop. Notice that we rounded to the nearest 100. If we had wanted to be a bit more accurate, we could have rounded to the nearest 10. If the numbers had been bigger, then it would have been easier to estimate by rounding to the nearest 1,000 or 10,000. Let's see an example of this. Imagine you had to work out this calculation. To estimate the answer to this subtraction, we can round 6,709 and 1,258 to the nearest 1,000. To do this, we check the hundreds digit in each number. 6,709 rounds up to 7,000, and 1,258 rounds down to 1,000. Our subtraction is now 7,000 subtract 1,000. That sounds much more doable, doesn't it? 7,000 subtract 1,000 is 6,000, so 6,709 minus 1,258 has an approximate answer of 6,000. Even though we can't get the exact answer by estimating, it does help us check the answer that we work out using a written method is likely to be correct. If we used a written method and got something like 400 as an answer, we would know something had gone wrong. Now it's your turn. Next time you're buying something in the shop, see if you can estimate how much your items will cost and how much change you should get. Then you'll know straight away if you've been given the wrong change.